Alright, so today we will learn about the different climatic regions of the world or Pakistan as well. If I talk about climatic regions refer to a continuous geographic area in which similar climatic characteristics are observed. Okay, so it's an area which has similar characteristics, climatic characteristics, which are seen. Now, there are different types of regions home to cold, temperate, dry, tropical, and highland. Now, these are the ones that are mentioned in your book. In different maps or different books, you will find different names for these, but they mean the same. The first one will be, uh, we'll talk about cold regions, which can be defined as coldest places on Earth, and these places tend to be near the poles. And polar regions are said to not receive direct sunlight during the winter months, and you know, uh, an example can be Antarctica. Um, this other one is temperate regions. This is a part uh, of the Earth between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer. This is characterized by temperate climate, which is mild or moderate, and it's neither very hot nor too cold over there. Then we have the dry regions or the dry lands. These are defined by scarcity of water. Dry lands are zones in which precipitation is balanced by evaporation from surfaces by the transpiration that takes place in plants. Now, that is too much of uh, new vocabulary in just one sentence. So we can say precipitation is obviously rainfall or snow, anything that falls from the sky is considered or said to be precipitation. And transpiration is the the exchange that takes place in plants. The next region is the tropical region. We can say that the tropics are the area around the equator where prevailing trade winds blow from east to west. All right. Lastly, we have the highlands, which which are called highlands or uplands, which are mountainous regions or elevated plateaus. Okay. So this was about it for the definitions that we'll be doing today. You'll get to see the definitions, you'll get to note them down, and then we'll do some details from the book and examples which will further explain what and how these can be identified. On towards the homework, which is write a short book on any two climatic regions of the world with examples. So this is a slightly research-based homework on which I want all of you to research more about the climatic regions. वैसे तो we discussed most of the details, but if you find any other details, you can note those down or even just explain whatever we've done in class. Just use those definitions, write it down in your own words, and then give examples. In examples, I want all of you to include uh, names of countries or cities or areas. Okay, I want all of you to be specific with your words. All right, I don't want to like it just saying that north northeast has a cool to cold region. That'll just not be enough. So just be specific with your words, and your countries and cities use proper names. And that's about it for the homework. The definitions are right in front of you. You have noted them down as well. So I hope it will be a very easy one. You just have to search for the examples and explain the climatic regions in your own words. You've got the definitions, so explaining it in your own words will also not be very difficult because we explained it as well.